ever imagined a monster truck so big that it actually has 6 doors? What I'm about to show you today isn't just a truck, it's basically a rolling mansion. The price tag? A massive $500,000. Giant tires, a custom leather interior, and so much power that a regular SUV looks like a toy next to it. By the end of this video, you'll probably be thinking, I need one of these. 2. Let's get started. This monster truck is not your average lifted pickup. It's a fully custom, built from scratch machine featuring 6 fully working doors, 2 in front, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the back, along with massive 40+ inch off-road tires, a custom fabricated chassis that's been extended for extra length and strength, and an interior so luxurious it could put high-end SUVs to shame. The whole idea behind this build was simple: create the biggest, most unique, and most comfortable monster truck ever made. Something that can be driven daily, yet still stops traffic wherever it goes. Let's start with the body and chassis. This truck is so long that, compared to a normal 3 or 4 door pickup, its wheelbase has been significantly stretched, just to fit those 6 doors and 3 full rows of seating. The suspension is completely custom built, with heavy-duty portal axles, long travel shocks, and a reinforced steel chassis strong enough to handle the truck's massive weight. The ground clearance is so high that this truck can literally drive over regular cars, which is exactly what a true monster truck experience is all about. The paint job is custom too, with a glossy finish, bold graphics, and that intimidating stance every monster truck needs. Up front, there's a bull bar, LED light bars, and a grille that grabs everyone's attention on the road. Now let's talk about the most unique feature of this build, the 6 doors. A typical monster truck or lifted pickup usually has just 2 or 4 doors, but for this build, engineers stretched the entire truck to fit 3 full rows of seating and gave each row its own independent door. Why does this matter? 2 words: access and comfort. Passengers in the back row get their own door. They don't have to climb through the front seats like you'd have to in a regular 2-door lifted truck. Every door runs on heavy-duty hinges built to handle the truck's weight and height, and custom side steps were added for entry, because climbing up from that height isn't easy for anyone. Now, we get to the part this build is most famous for: the interior. From the outside, this looks like a raw, aggressive monster truck. But the moment you step inside, the whole feeling changes. There's full leather seating across all 3 rows, individual climate control, a premium sound system, ambient lighting, and a custom-stitched dashboard and door panels. It genuinely feels like someone took a luxury SUV's interior and dropped it straight into this monster truck. Every seat has an adjustable armrest, and the second and third. Now let's talk performance, because a truck this big needs power to match. Under the hood is a heavily modified V8 engine, paired with a custom exhaust and tuning that significantly boosts the power output. It's backed by a heavy-duty transmission and a 4-wheel drive system built to control those massive 40+ inch tires on any terrain, mud, rocks, or even crushed cars. The braking system has also been custom upgraded, because tires in a ride height, this extreme need way more stopping power than standard brakes can offer. So the big question: why does it cost so much? When you consider that this isn't a mass-produced truck, it's a fully custom, hand-built machine with a custom fabricated chassis and stretched body, a hand-stitched luxury interior, custom suspension and drivetrain, and countless hours of skilled craftsmanship, that price tag starts to make a lot more sense. This is essentially a one-of-a-kind piece of engineering, not something you can just drive off a showroom floor. So there you have it, a $500,000, 6-door monster truck with a custom interior that could rival any luxury car out there. What did you like most about this build? The 6 doors or that incredible interior? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy watching crazy, insane vehicle builds like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next insane build. See you in the next video. Until then, drive safe. Let's also talk about how something like this actually gets built, because the process is honestly just as insane as the final product. It usually starts with a donor truck, a regular pickup that gets completely stripped down to its frame. From there, fabricators cut and extend the chassis to the exact length needed for 3 rows of seating and 6 doors. Every single door has to be custom fabricated and aligned by hand, because there's no factory template for something like this. The suspension axles and drivetrain are then built up from scratch to handle the extreme height and weight. And only after all of that mechanical work is done does the build move into the interior stage, where craftsmen spend weeks hand-stitching leather, wiring in electronics, and fitting custom trim panels. A project like this can easily take a small team of specialists several months, sometimes over a year, to complete from start to finish. And that's exactly why builds like this are so rare. You're not just paying for parts and labor, you're paying for a team of skilled fabricators, upholsterers, and mechanics who are essentially creating a piece of functional art. There's no mass production line for this. No two builds like this will ever be exactly the same, which is part of what makes owning one so special. So there you have it, a 500,000, 6-door monster truck with a custom interior that could rival any luxury car out there. What did you like most about this build? The 6 doors or that incredible interior? Subscribe